The FaMe system supports the AI, artificial intelligence approach. The FaMe AI runs the build environment sustainable and efficiently without manual intervention. The 42 seamless integrated FaMe modules deliver the information for the AI operations. The unique FaMe data management approach classifies and organizes the data over all modules at a uniform structure. Ready for the AI analysis. The FaMe AI application runs the building environment automatically, sustainable with low energy consumption. The next diagram explains the approach. The 42 plus modules delivers the information. Red arrows. If the client uses more FaMe modules, the AI functions works more efficient because more operation data for the AI functions available. Every additional module delivers more information for the IA analysis. The FaMe Enterprise Asset Management module is one of the core modules for the FaMe AI functions. The FaMe Asset Management module tracks the actual and the history data of every particular asset. The FaMe Timeline function is mandatory for the AI approach. The FaMe system never deletes asset data. In case an asset is no longer in operation, the FaMe system ends the timeline of the particular asset. The historical operation data are still available for the AI analyses. The FaMe AI function operates the modules. Green color arrows. We show now an example of the FaMe AI approach. In this case, the FaMe Reliability Maintenance Management function. The AI-based maintenance function reduces the cost for planned maintenance up to 80% compared with classic preventive maintenance. The FaMe system prognosis with the AI calculation the expected asset failure time and schedules automatically a maintenance ticket before the failure appears. The system uses the FaMe asset data for the calculation of the maintenance execution time. The asset priority is one parameter. The last maintenance execution date is another parameter. The last repair ticket date, the actual lifetime status, and the asset environment condition are only some parameters for the AI calculation of the best suitable inspection date. As an option, and if available, the FaMe system analyzes the article group maintenance history information for the AI calculation. Big Data Analyze. The FaMe article classification with the datasheet number delivers historical information for the AI analysis, sorted by the article group or sorted by asset type. The internal FaMe classification organizes the information. A mapping for national code systems is included. This mapping enables the data analysis via internet across the world. For an example, the operation information linked with the German DIN codes or Asian CBP codes or US classification codes. No limits. A FaMe job calculates automatically by an interval. As an example, every night. The ranking for every particular asset. The system generates a maintenance ticket for the highest rating assets. The system justifies the ranking automatically. The ticket appears at the dashboard of the supervisor for further action. We show now live the AI calculation for some selected assets. The user scans, for an example, the QR code mounted at the asset. The mobile phone shows the main parameters and the rating result. The user opens the Reliability Maintenance folder. The system displays at the end of the page the actual calculation result and the value which triggers the maintenance ticket. If the calculated value is higher as the threshold value, the system generates automatically an inspection ticket. Please check the creation date of this video. FaMe improves the system continuously. Maybe this video shows not the latest version. Don't hesitate to contact us or one of our partners for further information.